Hi friends, welcome back. In this video we will be seeing about the basic structure of a Java program or the basic Java documents what we have. So here in the Eclipse IDE, what I will do, let's create a Java program or Java project, or you can create a project also. It's up to you. Let's go and create a project first rather than, okay. So go for the Java create project as of now for the beginner and give your project name something. Let's take as of now I'm giving my project name Shape AI. Okay. And then you can use and Java JRE Java runtime environment which you want, whatever version. I have many versions installed. It is Java 14, 16, any you can take. So I will take 14 as of now. Let's go for the Java 14 and then just click on next, and then on the next just click again finish. We are done. So it will ask, so you don't need to create a module, so you don't create as of now, and you can see your first Java project or this package has been created. In this created package, you just have to right click on this, go to new and create a class. We need a class as of now for running a Java program and give that class a name. So let's give it first program. Very simple. Okay, so this is my first program I have given, and after this you can create the program or the ID can create yourself this public static environment. Just click as of now, check the box. After that go on finish. After this you can see here, after few moments you can see here this has been created. Now in this we will see many things what this entire default structure of this program means. As you can see here, first these you can see are the documentation. Some documentation has been written here, and these are the comments you can also say, and it just says simply that the author of this program is Prachi as my name, and whatever your name has been stored or saved in your computer, what that will be displayed. So as of now I was the author, so my name came up. After that you can have is your simple package declaration. Okay, so first let's go and have a quick look what all the things that a Java program structure has. Okay, so we will study about the Java program structure. It's very easy, you just have to know their glimpse, not in depth, because in depth we will be covering in the upcoming things. So first of all we have is documentation section. As you have seen here, I have shown you a documentation section. After that the documentation section is your package. Okay, so you have your package declaration. You have to declare your package because sometimes your program might be big, you might be needing more classes, so you have to make a connectivity between them. After that you have some import statements that you need some inbuilt Java libraries or the classes for working of your program, so you need to get them done. So you can say import some statements rather than writing Java statements. You can say you have to import the statements here in your program. After that you can have, it is not mandatory, but you can have interface also. This could be your interface section. After that interface section you can have, next is the class definition. That is the most important thing, because without the class your program won't work. So this is an important, I'm writing here, this is an important part. After that, when you have your class variables, you might have some global variables that we will look up further, but I'm telling you here we need to have them, class variables and documents here, and constants rather you can say. After that you need this main method, because your program execution start from main method only. Okay, so you need to have this. After this is the last, you need to define some methods more. There is no program that you need only one method, you can have many methods and you have to define their behavior. So these are some important part or the program of the Java structure that you need to know. So we will look or dig up more in this video. Let's come back to our program, and here whatever I told you, this was the documentation part. Okay, so this was the entire documentation part of your program. After the documentation part I told you can have a package declaration. So I can give one package declaration here. So let's give a package declaration as student. As of now no student package is here, so let's create it instead of students. Let's give it the package that is already been here. It's Shape API. So here we have declared our own package. Okay, so you can move it and then it's done. You have your own package that has been created here. So our package has been created. After creating our package, what we will do, we have to import some statements. So how to import them, I am telling you here in the program itself. We can have many import statements, but as of now we can have java.io.asterisk. This will import our entire program into it. So you can see here I will create an asterisk and we are done. So this way we are importing a Java package. Okay, we can have many. I will give you another example that you can have is you can import java.io.util package also, and you can see all the classes of the package are being displayed here by the Eclipse IDE as soon as possible. By using asterisk, we will get all the packages, okay, all the classes of this package. After this, we have interface section. Interface section is not a compulsory section. You need, if you need in your program, if your program requires, demands, then you can create an interface. Interface creation is not very tough. You just have to use this word interface, and then let's create an interface name as car. As simple as that. We can have any name. Here, if I create, let's say, behavior, I will say that the car will have one method that is known as start. The class will, and then we will have void stop. The car will stop. Simple. And this is my interface being created. This is my interface. You can see it has been created, interface car. You can see it has been created. It is having two methods, that is void start, and void stop. These are the two simple things. After this, we have this class definition. You can see here, this is my class being created. After the class is being created, this is my class definition. In the class, I can have some, okay, class variables and constants. Not an issue. I will just create here. It is also given me an documentation or a comment telling that you can give some variables or some class variables and constants. So let's give it, not an issue. Let's give it class int a equals to 10. So this is, we can have one variable like this, or if you don't want, you can give any type of the variable. Let's give it string name as, okay, string and name, and let's don't give any value. Let's give it as it is. Okay, so it's been created. Okay, so you can create here like this also, not an issue. So these are the class variables that you can create here. After the class variable comes is the main method. This is your main method. Public static void means string RGS. This is your main method being created. From here only your program execution will begin. And after this, if you need that, no, I don't feel that the main method is itself sufficient for creation of the program, then you can create your own method here also, and you can give it, let's say, you can create void and make it another method. Let's say that the method has a return type void, and let's say color. Okay, so here we can create our own method, and here let's say I will just display system.out.println black. Okay, so this is my simple method that has been created. So you can create your own method, that's not an issue, and you can just create this. We are done. It's an easy way that you can create your Java program structure. This is the basic structure, you can say, or a blueprint of your entire Java program. You just need to recognize or memorize these parts, that are more than sufficient. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to the next videos.